Remove the power source. Remove the 24 pins and power supply. And remove the HDD. Remove the SATA wire and audio and the power switch. And don't forget to remove the screw to the motherboard. And after you remove the screw, remove the motherboard. And remove the RAM. All components of your PC before you assemble. First, the RAM. And second, the motherboard. Put the audio wire and the power switch. And after that, put the HDD. And the SATA wire. Next is the power supply. On the 24 pins. After you install the 7 components of PC, close it. And that's all. Thank you.
Windows 11 was released on October 5th, 2021. This red rectangle reminder that you will be notified on update. But you can follow this step to install anyway. Go to this website link. This method is for upgrading through Windows 10. But before installing, use PC Health Check app to confirm your device minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Click Install, Finish. Please click Check Now. Close. Microsoft always recommends checking your Windows release information status for no issues that may affect your device before installing. To upload your Windows 10 to Windows 11 in your PC, click Download Now. Accept all terms. Wait for the installation assistant to finish the downloading and installing. Click Restart. Wait for a moment. And then finish.